Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly and I love to make all sorts of different crafts. So today we're going to make these very minimalist white rose topiaries. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. So let's get started. You'll need a clay pot and a piece of dowel. I found these at the Dollartree. I painted the pot and the dowel with white acrylic paint that I found at the dollar store. You can paint it any color, but I was going for a very simple, minimal look. I also painted about an inch inside the pot so the brown wouldn't show through the rocks. I gave it a nice thick coat of paint and then I painted the dowel as well. And then they need to fully dry. I found this already made white rose flower ball at Dollarama. If you can't find this, you could also buy dollar store roses and glue them on a styrofoam ball. So I took some floral foam that I had and cut it to fit the pot, and then I hot glued it in. And then I took the dowel and made a hole in the foam and then put some hot glue in the hole and stuck the dowel back in, making sure it was straight and secure. You could also use a stick if you don't have any dowels around. Next, I took some white rocks that I found from the Dollartree and filled up the pot around the foam. You could also use moss if you don't have any rocks around. Next, I took the flower ball and put some hot glue between the flowers and glued it on the dowel, making sure it was secure and level. And there you go. This is a very simple Valentine or spring decoration, all using things from the dollar store. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment if you're going to try this.